So this is the Valtinsu EM5 electric dirt bike. This thing is a beast. And first thing off, we're gonna unbox this box that holds our manuals, a lot of tools that are necessary for this whole build, and the charger. This charger looked really nice. And in the box, you can see a couple of nuts. That's just to put things together. And here's a number plate. We got 93. I might change it to 69. You never know. And then in this bag, we have a peg, handlebar holders, and this chest cushion piece for like when you get in an accident, so you want to hurt your chest. But first, we're gonna unbox this or unbag this tire. It's a 14-inch. We got a 12-inch in the back, and this display, man, looks so much better than the 2TO. This handlebar also looks great. I might add an extension for the middle, you know, just to make it look a little better. And then here we have the hydraulic brake. So now I'm just unwrapping the peg, and this peg, I really like it. Kickstand, whatever you call it, peg, kickstand. And then we're gonna move to the front, take this bar out that holds the tire, and then we're gonna install the tire, which was such a headache. Oh my goodness, I could not tell you how hard it was. I don't know why, it was just hard. Either I don't have a good e-bike stand, or I don't know. But yeah, we're just tightening it on like usual. You know, you always do this on an e-bike. And then we get cut. I cut myself somehow during this process. I don't know how. Then we're gonna go to the suspension. Oh, wow, voice crack. Just screwed on, get it all together, and then we're gonna go to the handlebar. It was all pretty much straightforward. You know, you just put screws in the right hole, then you screw it all together. You unscrew what needs to be unscrewed. You put together what needs to be put together, like the handlebar going into those handlebar holder brackets. You screw it all together, whole bunch of screwing, and then I made a mistake, and I should have put the brakes and the throttle on first. But that's okay, you make mistakes as you go in the process. And we're just installing the display now. This display is pretty compact, and I just really love how it's designed. Now we're getting the brakes on. You know, this whole build was just so easy and so quick. You know, you just put things in the right spot, screw it on, and it just goes together. And then we have this number plate with a headlight. That was a little bit hard, I'll admit that. That part was a little bit hard. If you guys look at the bike right now, it looks like a Telaria, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, now we're just tightening everything on. Brakes, throttle. I'm looking at the manual just in case if I missed anything. And then I get the peg on. Getting the peg on was pretty fun. I like that. Yep. And then we just put in, I don't know what is this called, guys? What is this little pin thing called? I don't know what it's called. I'll just call it a really easily bendily pin. And then we get the wrapper off, man. Get this wrapper off and just look at this beauty. We're getting the battery on.
Oh, that's easy release.
Oh, we got power.
This thing is beautiful. This thing is a beast. It is just so good looking. I mean, it comes out of the box so good looking. I mean, you don't need to do no modifications. This thing will catch girls' eyes. Young guys, take notes. And then you can pop wheelies easily, super strong motor, suspension, just beautiful bike.